In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import audio in CapCut step by step on the desktop editor. This is a super useful skill if you want to add background music, voiceovers, sound effects, or any custom audio to your video project. Whether you're editing a short clip, a YouTube video, or a full social media project, knowing how to bring in your own audio can save you a lot of time and give your edits a much more professional feel. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in the CapCut desktop editor. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to add the audio, because everything you import will be added to that current edit. Once your project is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the Media tab. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files, and it's the main place you'll use when bringing in audio, video, or image assets. After clicking Media, look for the Import button. Go ahead and click Import, and a file browser will open on your computer. From here, find the audio file you want to use. This could be an MP3, WAV, or another supported audio format saved on your device. Select the file, then click Open to bring it into CapCut. Once the audio has been imported, you'll see it appear inside your media library. Now comes the important part. Drag the imported audio track from the media library down into your timeline. Place it where you want it to start playing in your project. You can line it up with your video clips, voiceover, or other audio elements depending on the type of edit you're making. After it's in the timeline, you can preview it, trim it, move it, or adjust it as needed so it matches your video perfectly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to import audio in CapCut using the desktop editor. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a huge difference in how flexible your edits can be. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.